All right, so back on the bench, the Cobra 29 LTD. You'll remember this from a couple videos ago. This one came in with another radio, another unit in. This one came with a no transmit and no receive. So yeah, I got the whole thing serviced. Did a full service to this. I get a little pointer here, and so got the meter in with the yellow face, and customer wanted to make sure that it was lit up evenly. So I made sure that I faced the LED the right way, centered it, and got it perfect. I think it looks pretty damn good. Cleaned up all the knobs, cleaned up the face, cleaned up the chrome around the bezel. Recap. So these are all the old caps here. What else? I put some more compound, well, cleaned up the final and put some compound, thermal paste, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, full transceiver alignment. And let me tell you, this thing's receiving pretty well. This thing is just operating perfectly. So I got it hooked up to the signal generator already, because that was the last thing I did on the alignment was the receive. But let me put this on, and we can see the sensitivity. So it's pretty damn good. So it's at minus 115 dBm at 12 dB of synad. So let's turn this up here. Sorry for the tone. Yeah, it's pretty damn good. Really good actually for an LTD AM, minus 115 dBm. That's the max I could squeeze out of her. But I'd say that's pretty damn good. And yeah, I got the everything's working well. I got the cases cleaned as best as I could. So that's what happens when you get a full service. I try to clean up and spruce things up as best I can. So it's looking a little bit better. So yeah, that's about it. What else can I say here? We can do an on-air test. We can do some channel surfing. I can see what she's doing for some power. So yeah, let me get this off the signal generator, and we'll put it on the watt meter and check out what it's doing for power. Stand by. All right, so it's hooked up to the watt meter. See what we're doing for some power here. Audio. Just shy of 20. That's excellent. And let's check the frequency here. We're on channel 19. And I'd say that's pretty spot on. 27.1850. And yeah, so that's about it. So the only thing I didn't show, I forgot to put it on the video, was the S9 signal. But it is it's right on accurate. I did the full, when I do a full transceiver alignment, I make sure that I do all the steps. So it is showing an S9. And yeah, that's about it. So what I'll do is I'll get the speaker soldered back on. I'll do a final cleanup on this, and we'll hook it up to an antenna. I don't know how good Skip's been, how good Skip's going to be, because it's been super cloudy and stormy here lately. So, but we'll see. We'll do a on-air test, and we'll do some channel surfing, see what's going on out there. Stand by. Alright, so another thing we can check is the modulation. I kind of always forget to show you guys how these radios look on the scope. So let me, I'll put a tone to it through this. 1040 here. And is it's pretty damn good, I'd say. Yeah, so I'd say it's right around 100% modulation. So yeah, let me, I'll get the rest of this hooked back up together, cases back on, speaker hooked up, and we'll do an on-air test. Alright, got the radio hooked up to an antenna. And let me tell you, this radio's looking a lot better overall. It's a good looking radio. And these Cobra 29 LTDs, man, you can't beat them. These are worth putting some money into. Side mic, you know, these are just really, really good radios. You know, not like the LTD classics, you know, or anything really newer than this. These 29 LTDs, they're tough to beat. AM, yeah, really good radios. I'm really liking the yellow meter. It definitely helps, you know, distinguish. You can kind of, the contrast between the yellow, the black, the green, and the red. I mean, it's perfect. You know, this is the first time I've ever seen a yellow meter, to be honest. And I really like it. I'm actually, I'll probably do this to a couple of my own radios. But yeah, I really like that yellow meter with the bright white LED shining nice and even. You can't beat that. You know, you can probably even see that in the dark, you know. So that's a good, I think that's a good mod. I like the yellow. But anyway, everything's working great. All the controls are clean, so no more scratching. You know, everything is working great. So let's do some channel surfing. Got it on the bowl first here. Let's see what's going on channel 6.
They live long in the fiddle, but they come out with a broken wrist. Really? Anything going on? How you doing? How you doing?
Skip's been crappy lately. Haven't seen the sunshine in I don't know how long.
Well, listen, you're training, because let me tell you what she's doing. You know, and the baby's listening. She said, if that's working on Dad, then I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it again. Rifleman Roger. That's for Rifleman Roger. That's for Rifleman Roger. I'll see you. Bye.
Go around one more time.
¿Qué tanta agua leche se me... Sí, esta parte. A ver, sí.
Alright guys, that's about it. Sorry, Skip's really not rolling. But anyway, thanks for watching. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I got. See you later, guys.